How to fix NINJA GAIDEN Ragebound crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library, right click on the game, open up the properties window, and then under launch options you want to add this command, which is -dx11. Then go to the installed files, click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish. Now, once this is done, you want to click on the browse button and find the game's exe file. Right click on it and open up the properties window. Go to the compatibility tab and check disable full screen optimizations, and then check run this program as admin. Then apply everything and close out of this. Now you want to open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, you will need NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to the drivers section, check for updates for the latest game ready driver and make sure to download it and install it. And once you finish installing, you should restart your computer, even if it doesn't ask you. Now, after restarting your computer, you should simply launch Steam as administrator by right-clicking on the Steam icon and click on Run as admin. Now, once you run it as admin, you should simply launch the game and start playing. That should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.